Welcome to Aaron Hahn Studios presents how to change brake pads. This applies to almost any vehicle with the standard brake disc configuration. Firstly, remove both left and right tyres, as brakes are always changed left and right at the same time. No exceptions to this rule. That's why they are sold in pair sets. Place the wheels under the vehicle for safety. This spring is so light, the wind can blow it away. Your brake pads slide on these pins. Make it a habit to clean them.
Out left, out right. It was the left, out left.
As you can see from the condition of the brake pad, both the left and right disc will need remachining. Turn the wheel hub and inspect for foreign objects. They can be caught in the assembly or jammed in the ventilation slots. Look at the brake well, it's quite full. Now that's from working on one side, one disc. Imagine working on both sides, both discs at the same time. It certainly will overflow.